Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to a mind-blowing journey through the world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we're about to introduce you to 9 extraordinary AI tools that will revolutionize the way you work, create, and innovate. Say farewell to the mundane and get ready for the future. In a rapidly evolving technological landscape, the boundaries of innovation continue to expand. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force, reshaping industries, automating processes, and enhancing human capabilities. Among the myriad AI tools available, some are so remarkable that they might make you forget that ChatGPT even exists. In this video, we'll explore 9 such AI tools that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of artificial intelligence. Let's start the video. Number 1. DeepMind's AlphaFold. AlphaFold, created by DeepMind, represents a groundbreaking leap in structural biology. It employs artificial intelligence to accurately predict the 3D structures of proteins, a pivotal aspect of scientific research. This precision aids immensely in drug development and comprehending diseases. By essentially decoding the intricate shapes of proteins, AlphaFold offers the potential to fast-track progress in medicine and biology. It is a transformative force in the realm of AI, promising to revolutionize our understanding of the molecular world and potentially lead to the discovery of novel therapies and treatments. This remarkable technology has the power to reshape the future of healthcare and scientific discovery, propelling us into an era of unprecedented advancements. Number 2. OpenAI's DALL-E. If you thought that text-based AI was impressive, wait until you meet DALL-E. This AI model, also created by OpenAI, can generate images from textual descriptions. Want a surreal image of a 2-story pink house shaped like a shoe? DALL-E can create it. This AI tool blurs the line between text and image, opening up endless creative possibilities in art, design, and beyond. Number 3. IBM's Watson for healthcare. AI isn't just about creating art or engaging in conversations, it's also saving lives. IBM's Watson for healthcare showcases the life-saving potential of AI. This powerful tool aids healthcare providers in diagnosing illnesses and suggesting treatment strategies. It draws upon an extensive repository of medical research and patient data, enabling it to offer invaluable insights. By doing so, it empowers doctors to make well-informed choices, ultimately enhancing patient care and outcomes. Watson for Healthcare illustrates how AI can be a critical ally in the medical field, supporting healthcare professionals by quickly processing and analyzing vast amounts of medical information. It exemplifies the capacity of AI to positively impact healthcare by augmenting human expertise, reducing errors, and improving the overall quality of medical decisions, thus saving lives and improving the well-being of patients. Number 4. Tesla's Autopilot. Tesla's Autopilot stands as a prominent illustration of how AI is reshaping the automotive sector. Although not entirely self-driving, Autopilot demonstrates the potential of AI-infused vehicles. It serves as a capable assistant, handling functions like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and navigating intricate highway junctions. As AI technology progresses, the prospect of fully autonomous cars becoming a regular presence on our roadways becomes increasingly plausible. Tesla's Autopilot is a stepping stone towards this future, highlighting the profound impact AI is having on transportation, promising safer and more efficient journeys, and potentially revolutionizing how we commute in the years to come. Number 5. Google's DeepMind in gaming. Google's DeepMind has made notable advancements in AI's role in gaming. Beyond AlphaGo's groundbreaking win in Go, DeepMind has showcased the ability of its algorithms to excel at complex video games, all without prior knowledge of the game's rules. This highlights AI's adaptability and problem-solving prowess, expanding its utility well beyond the realm of gaming. DeepMind's achievements in gaming underscore the broader potential of AI in various fields, from healthcare to logistics, where its capacity to quickly learn, adapt, and find optimal solutions hold immense promise for solving real-world challenges. The lessons learned from gaming are shaping the future of artificial intelligence and its applications, showing us how AI can tackle increasingly complex problems across diverse domains. Number 6. Grammarly's AI-powered writing assistant. that, Grammarly's AI-powered writing assistant has elevated the standards of writing support. Beyond merely correcting typos and grammar errors, Grammarly's AI can assess the tone, clarity, and engagement of your writing. Whether you're crafting an email, essay, or a professional report, Grammarly's suggestions are so perceptive that you might find traditional proofreading tools obsolete. Its advanced capabilities not only enhance the quality of your writing, but also make the process more efficient and effective. Grammarly represents a significant leap in AI's role in improving written communication, catering to a wide range of users and industries, from students and professionals to content writers. It showcases the potential of AI to enhance our everyday tasks and elevate the quality of our written expressions. Number 7. Amazon's Alexa. Amazon's Alexa is at the forefront of the voice assistant revolution, deeply integrated into our daily routines. Its expanding range of skills and advanced natural language processing allows it to manage smart homes, provide answers to queries, and engage in casual conversations. Alexa's prowess blurs the line between human and AI interaction, making it a pivotal tool for convenience and information. As it continues to evolve and integrate with various devices, Alexa exemplifies how AI-driven voice assistants are transforming the way we access information and control our surroundings. It's a glimpse into a future where technology seamlessly adapts to our needs, making our lives more efficient and connected. Number 8. Adobe's Content-Aware Fill. Adobe's Content-Aware Fill within Photoshop is a striking example of AI's creative prowess. This tool can perform a kind of visual magic by effortlessly erasing unwanted objects or elements from photos and intelligently replacing them with a background that seamlessly blends in. It's akin to having a virtual artist at your beck and call, simplifying the process of achieving remarkable visual results. Content-Aware Fill showcases how AI is democratizing artistic and design capabilities, empowering individuals to create stunning images without the need for advanced technical skills. It underscores AI's transformative impact on the creative landscape, making sophisticated editing accessible to a wider audience and redefining the boundaries of digital artistry. Number 9. Salesforce's Einstein AI. In the world of business, Salesforce's Einstein AI is changing the game. It offers predictive analytics and personalized recommendations, helping companies make data-driven decisions and enhance customer experiences. Einstein AI is a powerful tool that can transform how businesses operate, driving growth and efficiency. There you have it, 9 AI tools that will make you forget ChatGPT exists. The world of AI is teeming with remarkable tools and technologies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From conversationally advanced GPT-4 to groundbreaking innovations in healthcare, gaming, creativity, and more, these AI tools are leaving an indelible mark on our lives. As they continue to evolve and integrate into various aspects of our daily routines, it's easy to forget the early days of AI like ChatGPT. With each passing day, AI becomes more sophisticated and ingrained in our lives, making us wonder what the future holds for this remarkable field of technology. If you're excited as we are about these AI tools, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Stay tuned for more incredible tech discoveries, and remember, the future is here. Thanks for watching.